Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to cover a topic which I have been meaning to cover for a hot minute, but I just haven't covered it. I think I don't know for some random reason, and that is how to cover your acne scars or your acne spots or blemishes, whatever. Now I know personally I have dealt with acne for the longest of times. So I'm gonna tell you like just two simple products which I have been using, especially if you can see here I have some acne scars and I really hope they are visible. If not, I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. So now you can see I do have some scars over here. And on this side, it's not that bad, but on this side, I do have a little bit. So as I was saying, many more times due to the lighting and stuff, you are not able to actually see the acne scars, but they are there. And as you saw right now, I do have acne scars, but from this angle, you can't really see much. And yeah, but in person, when you go out for events, functions, this, that, birthdays, whatever, you don't want your acne scars to be seen, and that's perfectly fine. Now, one thing which you can try covering up are scars. However, texture, if you have active acne, you have those bumps, you can't do anything. Obviously it's a 3D thing. So if it's a 3D thing, there's obviously no way that you can just cover it up with basic makeup. There's no way to cover it up. At the end of the day, if you want your skin to look good and smooth, you have to have good smooth skin. There's no other way around it. Okay, let me just tell you that. Now, the first thing which I'm not going to show, but you have to apply a good moisturizer. And if you want some suggestions for moisturizers, please go check out my earlier video. I have shown one serum, one face moisturizer, and one sunscreen, which I have been currently using and loving, and I'm going to be using it more and more and more, and I will be buying it again as well. So currently, I have applied the same face moisturizer, which is from Fix Derma. So there's this one product which you will get, which is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. And guys, you're seeing it, what you say, a mirror reflection. That's because I am filming it on camera, and the camera is attached to my laptop. So if I were to film it without my camera being attached to my laptop, it would have been a different story. You could have actually seen it straight. So my next video, I'll try and do it like that. This is something just when I connect my computer camera to my laptop, everything is just much more faster, which is why I do it. So what I'm gonna do is so that you guys can actually see what's going on. I think I think now you will be able to actually see the situation which is here. As you can see, I have dark circles as well, and if you can see, there's like also excuse my nails. I'm so sorry. I have to remove the yeah. So as you can see, I have dark circles, I have veins around here, which is normal. It happens to all of us. Okay. So I'm gonna today in this video, first I'm gonna show you how to cover your acne scars. In the next video, maybe I'll show you how to cover your dark circles. Now, see guys, at the end of the day, if you have dark circles, you cannot make it look like you have zero dark circles. Okay, the dark circles will be visible. I'm just gonna show you the best you can do to reduce the appearance of dark circles. Okay, I think that's how we need to start putting it. It's high time. Okay, now as you can see, when I bring you in close, it's a lot. So what I'm gonna do is you just want to take a concealer, and I am taking this one, which is the one as you can see, I have two bottles of the this which I'm currently using. One which I keep in my makeup kit when I'm going out. One I just keep at home. So what I'm gonna do is, as you can see, the color is really close to my actual skin tone. And yeah, you just want to put it wherever you feel there are dark spots. On this side, it's not much, but I'm just going to apply to kind of match both my sides. My forehead is pretty fine. So my forehead, I'm not going to apply any concealer. I'm just going to, let me just show you. That's my cat, guys. If you all want to say hello. Yeah, because I have a lot of wires here, but somehow she has still found a way to come. So yeah. And then now you have two options. One is to use a beauty blender, which is what I'm going to use, or you can just use your finger as well. Sometimes I use just my finger. I think I'm gonna use my finger. I was planning to use the beauty blender, but oh well. Now, as you can see, there is some yellowness when the concealer is there, and that is normal because when the concealer, so for the concealer to work, they have to add in some of yellow and orange in the foundation, a little bit more than normal to sort of hide it. And as you can see, you can still see this one scar, but it is really less. And on this side, I don't really have much. However, my skin does get a little red at times. I don't know why, but yeah, so I'm just gonna do this around your nose also. You can actually add a little bit of concealer, and there's that. Now, the next thing that you want to do is go in with a foundation, and if you have, okay, yeah, and if you have acne prone skin, just go in for this one. This is 122, 123 in Maybelline Fit Me Foundation Matte Poreless, and I'm just gonna take this much. And this is genuinely, guys, how I apply foundation. So you want to apply some on your face, and you might be thinking the foundation is not exactly matching you. And you know what? I know it. It is not exactly my shade. I feel that this is more yellower, and my face is more redder. If you can tell, yeah, but for that, I have to leave my house, go to a makeup store, figure my shade out, which is just something I have been super lazy to do. And I think post COVID, all of us, going to the store is something that you just don't consider as a possibility, which is my case too. So yeah, you just want to apply the foundation. And now, see, on most days, this is genuinely what I do. I just for my eyes, this is literally what I do. Not what you should be doing when I'm going out or I have an important event. I don't do this. But on most days when I just have to shoot or film, this is what I do. Okay, on your forehead, most people don't apply any foundation. But what I feel is when there's no foundation on your forehead, it does make your forehead look a little different compared to your face, which is why go in with some foundation on your forehead. And that's how my face is looking. So I hope you can tell. And I have, like, just got the camera really into my face. But that's because I want you guys to see how how makeup actually looks and how it works. Now, there are several ways to set your foundation, but here's what I do, and this is what I think like most people should do. If you're not going to be sweating, if you're going to be sweating, do not use this. Maybe another video I'll also show how to do sweat proof makeup. I'm just going to take some compact powder. You guys know the story of this one, and I'm just going to set my foundation and concealer together. And as you can see, guys, I am not dragging anything like this. Whatever I'm applying, I'm going in with tap, 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 tap. And that is what you need to do as well. Because if you start dragging things around, your foundation will move, your concealer will move, your powder will move. So just make sure that you are not dragging. You're just patting and tapping and you're applying. And once you are done with that, you can then just apply whatever else you want. I am applying a lip balm because my lips are extremely dry, and also I have this bad habit of biting my lips, which is something I'm seriously going to work on. Okay, so I'm gonna get you guys back to our normal position, and this is what the makeup looks like. It's really not super heavy, and while it is not extremely full coverage, you don't see, guys, if you want to completely cover, see, you can't see the scar, but it is still slightly visible, which is fine because you don't want to look super cakey as well, right? And your foundation can just cover up so much, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I recommend. If you have acne or acne scars, guys, just go in for these two products. They're easily available and super duper affordable, and they last like forever. They're gonna last you forever. And yeah, I think that is it for this video, where I have shown you how to cover your acne scars if you have any. And if you have oily skin, this is perfect for you. If you have dry skin, also this is perfect for you. Just make sure that you're applying a really thick moisturizer as your base, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that is it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video. I'm trying to upload more regularly on my YouTube channel, and I really hope you guys are enjoying. So I'll see you very soon in my next video. If you have any recommendations, like I always say, please do let me know in the comments. It would be great if you can leave some recommendations down below. And I'll see you in the next video very soon.